and undeceive my people endlessly. Then you wonder why I never want you next to me. Yeah, civilians are like slaves, like in servitude, and the only way you keep them is to keep them from the truth. While your institutions keep indoctrinate the youth, we hear you speak of hope and change, and you leave no proof. Babylon is smart, now this is more than true. But when the people wake up, they'll come straight after you. There's no escaping from the plans we got set out for you. You see young men, women, and children coming after you. Life is illusion, not reality. And for anyone who wants a peace, you name insanity. You subdue my people with stories and fantasies. False government, false cards, false authorities. In this irrigation, all negations, one people, one destiny, yeah. Irrigation, all negations, one people, one destiny. Babylon, you are a sickness to society. There is no one that I could claim on notoriety. With all your chemical concoctions of variety, but you really seek is for my people to go quietly. The what they really getting ill from is your mind control. It has diminished our intelligence and numbed our souls. Manipulation on the masses is your only goal. You may have succeeded, but the difference is now we know. So what you gonna do without our energy? Cause now we're using it to make a brand new energy. Yeah, we infuse our meditation, our philosophies, learning to transcend beyond the realms of this reality. Yeah. See, Babylon, it's over, now it's time you go. When on foundations are cracked and you can go no more. So lift your eyes and set your sights upon that door, and get the fuck out of our life, don't come back no more. In this irrigation, all negations, one people, one destiny, yeah. Irrigation, all negations, one people, one destiny, yeah. Music the healer, the healer, oh the healer. Music the healer, the healer, oh the healer, yeah the healer. Oh, it is irrigation, yes, all negations, one people, one destiny. We said irrigation, all negations, one. Alright, I want to hear you sing this chorus. It's your turn. Here we go. Iration, all nations, one people, one destiny. Again, iration, all nations, one people, one destiny. You sound beautiful. Keep going. Iration, all nations, one people, one destiny. One more time. Iration, all nations,